Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels, and I've been gone for a long ass time. I had a lot going on. I filmed a great intro, but I deleted it because my lips was dry. It looked like I took some sandpaper across my lips, so I had to delete that and just talk to y'all from here, okay? And y'all gonna see it at the end of the video. I'm gonna be cute, okay? So like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for this simple look. This is a simple look for the working woman, okay? So first you need this fluffy blending brush. It's a Morphe something. I'm gonna list it at the bottom because I don't have my brushes sitting here next to me and I don't feel like getting up. So all you need is this one color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and literally this is the only eyeshadow color that you are going to put on your lids. And I also already did my brows, and I also already primed, so I didn't show those products, but if you look at my foundation tutorial, it's exactly the same. And if you look at my brow tutorial, it's exactly the same. So all I'm doing is brushing this brown color across my entire lid space. Simple. So this is the lash glue. I'm about to put on these bottom lashes. These are the Kiss Iconic lashes. The brand is Kiss I Envy and the style is Iconic. I'm sorry, you guys. And I absolutely suck at putting lashes on because, as you can see, I have really long curly lashes. But I tried to show y'all a little bit. And these lashes have been used like 5 or 6 times, so if they don't look very crispy, they've been used a lot. So you can definitely reuse these lashes. I really recommend them. I absolutely love them. They're great for my eye shape. I love them, you guys. So next I'm just taking some mascara. I have no idea what this mascara is. I got it free from a Vox box. If you guys don't know what that is, I'll make a video on it. But you basically get free products. And I put that on. And then I took my MAC Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation in the wrong damn color. So that's why I'm upset. Because this is my color that I used when I was sick. And I didn't have any color and I was pale. And I was almost like a white woman. So I'm going to get me a little bit of melanin. And the little bit I got, and I'm gonna get NC45, okay, you guys, and you're gonna see the difference, okay? It's just a little bit more yellow. That other one was a little bit pale. I look casket ready. I look like Casper's long lost cousin. So I'm gonna put that all over my face, and I mixed in the NYX Born This Way liquid illuminator because I have dry skin, and this foundation does dry matte. It's not as bad as the other ones. It is moisturizing, but I like a little bit more moisture. And I'm going to blend that in with the beauty blender. And literally all you need is just like a small, like a little bit of foundation goes a long way. And this is supposed to be a more natural look, so you don't want to like cake it on. Now I'm taking this Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder. I have no idea what color it is because it's scratched off. And it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, so I try to be like, I try not to put as much on my face, but I just use that to set everything in place. And then I'm taking another powder in a darker color from the same brand and using that to contour and add color back to my cheeks. And also, you guys, I look a little bit lighter than what I usually look because I didn't turn on the light. I only had my ring light on, and I should have left the whole room light on so that the whole room will be lit up. So literally only my face was lit up, and it was all white light. So now I'm lining my lips. I'm just using some eyeshadow and an angle brush because I have no idea where my lip liners are. And I'm not buying no more because I keep losing them. So I just been using eyeshadow to line my lips, you guys. So if you don't have lip liner, definitely use eyeshadow. And then I took this NYX Liquid Lingerie. I will link the color down below because y'all know I don't got it. I put that on my lips. And then I put a Wet n Wild lip gloss. It's a pink lip gloss. I don't think it has a name at all anyway because it's Wet n Wild. But I put that on top just to give me some little gloss and a little bit of color because I didn't like that brown color. And then I'm taking this Black Radiance Plum Sorbet Baked Blush and putting that all over my cheeks. And literally, you guys, that is the finished look. That's how easy it was. Like, literally 5 products. And you can wear this to school, work. This is for the working woman, because y'all know I'm trying to be a lawyer. And I can't be fully beat in the courtroom or nothing like that. So, thank you guys for watching. And remember to stay on that diva status. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I hope to get another video out to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.